Hello, everyone. Spiros Dimitrakoulas here of Orthopedic Reflexology. Welcome to this masterclass for reflexologists with the general title, Pouring Wisdom into Practice with the Pythagorean Cup. But for massage, they say, like a client we see in the middle says, oh, I have a knot. He describes his pain as having a knot, and he describes it this way. It's a feeling. This would be software. It's a feeling, an expression, the output of the brain. And it's definitely an emotional experience. The midbrain is 50% developed, depending on the emotions, what the mother went through during gestation. And that's why brothers and sisters are different virus through this novel, interesting stimuli for this person with chronic pain. I don't believe she was talking about the pubic symphysis at that moment. And she says, I don't believe that I'm changing something at the pubic symphysis, but I believe that the perception of pain is altered with her work in reflexology. And she was correct. And I was looking at the comments and thinking, isn't anybody going to say something? She's not talking about by explaining it successfully, whatever that means, because everyone is different, right? I wouldn't explain it the same to every client. Everyone would have to understand the elements. Beeswax is a warm element. Talcum is a dry, cooling element, just to bring it that you're already doing it. You're already using these elements. So if you know what constitution, which elements are lacking in your client, this could be the medium you add into your reflexology. There is a pattern, a favorite color. I try to pinpoint which element is involved and then work on the associated reflexes. In another sense, a metaphor is like you're listening to a radio station, and during the day you hear it very loudly, and there are other times you don't hear it at all. Describe the continuous inflow of negative, outflow of good things to try to control the bucket. Now we go to the greedy cup, the cup of pain of Pythagoras, water or the wine overflows, then you lose everything from the hole underneath. We had to move last week or something happened, and this made his cup overflow on your low back pain, which was here. It's some habits here that you have, besides breaking it down for the client. And we did say that pain might go down 40% just by explaining it. Remember, it also tells us the elements of the treatment. Make suggestions, look into yourself, be a stimuli so that the I've read the research, it's very bad if I have this and suddenly the water is draining and the cup is empty.